What's up, everybody? It's Ryan with Cuffs Custom. So today I was riding and I heard like a really bad rattle, and it sounded like it's coming from the clutch area, and I found out it's the exhaust bushing. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do that. So first thing you're going to want to do is loosen your bags, take your saddle bag off, and then just set it on a piece of cardboard or something like that so it doesn't get scratched up. Alright guys, so next you're going to need a 13 millimeter. You're going to want to just break these bolts free. Then you're just going to slide out your hanger piece, and then you're going to just slip this bushing out and pop the new one back in. The tab goes on the inside here, up at the top spot. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. It's Koffs, KOFFS _customs, KUSTONZ. Thanks guys, be cool, stay safe.